Hello my friends, I'm here in Roses and I'm enjoying a nice Sunday afternoon. It's cooling a bit down. It's not again like Friday when it was 40 degrees in Roses. We are here at the seaside and it's not so hot anymore. But it's really beautiful. And I want to take you a little bit around here to see. It's around 5 o'clock and look, summertime. Roses is full of people, the beaches are full of people. And let's walk a little bit around that you can see a little bit what is going on here at the beach. And we are going to go a bit outside as well on the pier here to show you the skyline. Wir sind hier also in Roses, Sonntagnachmittag, Sommernachmittag. Es ist Ende Juli, wie ihr seht, es ist super schön. Viele Leute sind da am Strand und wir gehen jetzt mal hier ein bisschen laufen, das Pier entlang. Voilà, nous sommes ici à Roses, c'est dimanche après-midi, c'est fin juillet, les plages sont pleines. Et on y va un peu au pier ici. On dit ça